All right, so we've did the creative story. Now let's do a blog post topic idea. So this will brainstorm new blog post topics that will engage readers and rank well on Google. So do the product description again, and we'll do custom keto diet, and we'll do women. Actually, let's go and do, they've got a thing that talks about their customer diagraphic. Women. Moms 35 to 65 who want to lose the baby weight. Let's do 35 to 45. And I can do this. Example output. Let me just see something here. I know they've got some stuff. They have articles and email swipes. So these are ones that Custom Keto Diet wrote. Just to be clear. But I could make my own articles based off of that content too. So let's just try it with the default stuff here. And I'll write the content. So this is coming up with ideas. So how to make keto diet friendly foods, what you need to know before starting a keto diet, what happens to your body when you give up carbs. Interesting thing. So if you would find any of that information useful, where it would come up with topics for you to write on. In fact, you know what? I'm going to do it again. You should really sign up for conversion.ai. So this one's got a little mistake there. So I'll flag that as bad content. And let me try it again here. So that gives you a lot of different ideas. Pretty simple, really easy to use. So if this would help you come up with blog posts to write about, or have Conversion AI write your blog post for you, because you can take this content and have it write your post for you, you should check out conversion.ai. Click the link next to this video.